quarters. The lock works on here. This key. This key works to all the different locks. Except for the change tray. The compressor kicks on. And the refrigerator gets cold. You can hear the compressors. It's pretty quiet. Pretty quiet compressor. But it gets cold. Check that. You can tell it's got the original packing material and stuff in here. Brand new. These are already been unlocked, so the key works to all these. Got a drink. Here's the key. Oh, it's $1. Oh shit, I just put a penny in there. Sorry, that was my fault. I didn't have $1 in there at 75 cents, and I accidentally put a penny in there, so that worked. Did we do all those things? The chain's coming out right there. Come down, it's right here. Another one down, no problems, everything's nice and smooth. That's what the sound you're gonna be getting every day. I wish I had one of these machines. Just use it for something. Making money. That'd be a good idea. I'll show you these locks. This closes. Got the instructions right here, or that's for the change machine, and it's got a DVD for the machine, I guess. And then you see, got the snack. Got the original packing stuff. I'm running a quarter. You see everything is functioning perfectly. Brand new. Nothing sticking or anything like that. Very smooth. Honestly, we're not going to do all these because I don't have enough quarters to read all the. I scrounge all the quarters I can. I'm not going to. the store. Trust me, we checked all these. They all work. Have the key for the outside.